Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a little Dollar Tree shopping haul. So me and my mom went to Dollar Tree to get some cards for Father's Day and a birthday. And we found like a little fidget aisle, which I got some fidgets of course. I got a unicorn monkey noodle. I got this purple caterpillar. And it was the last caterpillar. So that's pretty cool. And then I also have some mini poppets. And I got this little yellow sun. And all the only color for monkey noodles that they had was pink and purple. And yeah. So I'm gonna open it. So, here's the caterpillar. This is my first caterpillar monkey noodle. This is fun. Pretty fun little guy. Pretty cool. No way. That's enough. Now we're gonna open up the unicorn. It's really soft. I really like how it feels on my hands. It kind of feels like a blanket almost. Just that soft. Or it feels like it's a really soft squishmallow. And the last thing I got was this sun poppet. It has 7 pops on it. Well, the bubble is 7 pops. There's a little keychain right there. Let's check out the pops. Pretty good. And yeah, some other shapes too. They had like a circle, a moon, and some other suns in different colors. It was pretty cool. And they also had some stress balls and like so like those centipede monkey noodles, whatever they're called. But they had some pretty cool fidgets. And that's all. Bye.